Flamingo Books. Enjoy with mathematics. Chapter 12. Triangles with their properties.
Angle sum property of a triangle. What is it? If we measure all three angles of any triangle, their sum is always 180 degree, which is the same as to right angle. For any triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. This is called the angle sum property of a triangle. Statement: the sum of the three angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. Proof of the angle sum property. Given a triangle ABC. To prove angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Construction. Draw a straight line PQ passing through point A. Make sure PQ is parallel to the side BC of the triangle. Imagine a line above the triangle parallel to the base. Marking angle. Label the angle as follows. Angle 1 at point A, angle inside triangle at vertex A. Angle 2 and angle 3 at points B and C, inside angle. Angle 4 and angle 5 are the angle formed at A by the parallel line. What is an equilateral triangle? A triangle with all three sides equal. All three angles are equal to. Important fact. The sum of all three angles in any triangle is always 180 degree. How to find each angle? Since all angles are equal, each angle is equal to 180 degree by 3 is equal to 60 degree. Conclusion. Every angle in an equilateral triangle is equal to 60 degree. Example. In triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 40 degree. Angle B is equal to 55 degree. Find angle C. Solution. Step 1. Recall the angle sum property. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Step 2. Substitute the given angles. 40 degree plus 55 degree plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Step 3. Add the known angle. 95 degree plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Step 4. Find angle C. Angle C is equal to 180 degree minus 95 degree. Angle C is equal to 85 degree. Answer. Angle C is equal to 85 degree. What is an exterior angle? When you extend a side of a triangle, the angle that forms outside the triangle is called an exterior angle. Here, we have extended side BC to point X. The angle ACX is the exterior angle at vertex C. Interior opposite angle. Inside the triangle, there are two angles that are not touching the exterior angle. These are called the interior opposite angle. In the triangle ABC, angle BAC and angle ABC are the interior opposite angle to exterior angle ACX. Angle ACB is the adjacent interior angle next to angle ACX. Important rule. The exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of the two interior opposite angles. This means Angle ACX is equal to angle BAC plus angle ABC. How to check this rule? Let's try it ourselves. Step 1. Draw a triangle ABC. Step 2. Extend side AB to make an exterior angle CBX. Step 3. Measure exterior angle CBX. Interior opposite angles A and C. Step 4. Add the measures of angles A and C. Observation. Angle A plus angle C is equal to angle CBX. This shows the rule is correct. Important notes. The exterior angle is always bigger than each interior opposite angle. Example, if the interior angle are 50 degree and 60 degree, exterior angle is 110 degree. Exterior angle and adjacent interior angle form a straight line, linear pair. Triangular inequality theorem. In any triangle, the sum of the lengths of any two sides is always greater than the length of the third side. Check all three conditions. AB plus BC is equal to 5 plus 6 is equal to 11 greater than 7 is equal to CA. BC plus CA is equal to 6 plus 7 is equal to 13 greater than 5 is equal to AB. CA plus AB is equal to 7 plus 5 is equal to 12 greater than 6 is equal to BC. Example. Let's say we have a triangle with the following side lengths. AB is equal to 5, AB is equal to 5 cm. BC is equal to 6, BC is equal to 6 cm. CA is equal to 7, CA is equal to 7 cm. Pythagorean theorem. In a right-angled triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the square of the other two sides. Right-angled triangle. A triangle with one angle is equal to 90 degree. Formula. A is equal to one side, base. B is equal to other side, perpendicular. C is equal to hypotenuse, longest side. C square is equal to A square plus B square. Step 1. Draw and measure. Right-angled triangle. A is equal to 3 centimeters. B is equal to 4 centimeters. C is equal to 5 centimeters. Step 2. Find the squares. A square is equal to 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. B square is equal to 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 16. Step 3. Add the squares. A square plus B square is equal to 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. Step 4. Square of hypotenuse. C square is equal to 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 25. Step 5. Compare. Check if C square is equal to A square plus B square. 25 is equal to 25. The theorem is verified. Converse of the Pythagoras theorem. If the square of one side of a triangle equals the sum of the squares of the other two sides, then the triangle is a right-angled triangle, and the angle opposite the first side is a right angle. Step 1. Draw the triangle. Label the sides and measure their lengths. Step 2. Find the square of the longest side. Find the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Step 3. Compare. If the square of the longest side is equal to sum of the squares of the other sides, the triangle is a right triangle. Example: triangle PQR. PQ is equal to 5 cm. QR is equal to 12 cm. PR is equal to 13 cm. PR square is equal to 132 is equal to 169. PQ square plus QR square is equal to 52 plus 122 is equal to 25 plus 144 equals 169. Since PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square, triangle PQR is right-angled opposite side PR.